ZANU-PF has formally co-opted businessman Kuda Kwashitakure alongside the Deputy Minister of Mines and Mining Department Polite Kambamura, Christine Gwati, Joseph Serima, and Colin Ndebele into the party's powerful Central Committee. Salamina Mashoko Kuda Pangwa Chinzi Kuda Kwashitakure co-opted, and also 3 others in. Lodi was subscribe Bola Kotampa Bele Kon. Tibina Mnamumda Nyukamchinzi. Kambamura was recommended for co-option by Mashonaland West Province. Ugwati, Serima, and Ndebele were put forward by Matabeleland North. Tagure was recommended by Harare Province. ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs, Patrick Chinamasa, confirmed the development, saying the Politburo endorsed the recommendations from the 3 provinces at its 385th ordinary session on July 30, 2025. The new members are expected to be formally adopted by the Central Committee at its next meeting. Harare Province decision to recommend Tagure was made at its Provincial Coordinating Committee meeting on March 31, 2025, after which the letter of recommendation was sent to the party leadership. The National Political Committee Nyarazi Machacha tabled the recommendation at the Politburo's 304th ordinary session on July 2, 2025. The proposal was approved without objection, pending formal adoption. Tagure's co-option has been one of the most debated internal party issues this year. The controversial fuel tycoon, often accused by critics of wielding disproportionate political influence through his vast business empire, was initially sidelined in earlier Central Committee appointments. His close ties to Emmerson Mnangagwa have long been a source of factional tension within ZANU-PF, with some members saying his rise is an attempt to consolidate Mnangagwa's inner circle ahead of the party's next elective congress. Dissenting voices within the party had reportedly lobbied to block his inclusion, citing concerns over the optics of appointing a businessman whose wealth and government contracts have drawn both local and international scrutiny. However, his eventual co-option suggests Mnangagwa's faction was able to overcome resistance, signaling a possible shift in the balance of power within the party. Chinamasa said the July 30 Politburo meeting also confirmed the co-options of Kambamura, Gwati, Serima, and Ndebele. Domash karibu panguva ine mbotuze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu so subscribe like pamwe chete notina on the bell icon.